What's up, guys? It's your boy Darius, and you know this channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you know every time we upload a video. Let's get this video to, let's say, 5 likes. If this video get 5 likes, we're gonna drop another bang. Today I'll be doing a review on a Jupiter X1000. It is a rival Nerf gun. So let's get to the video.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Alright, y'all already see I already added a flashlight to this gun. And for jumping off, I love the color on it. It's bright orange and lime, bring the gun out really good. I love how you got enough room. You see, you grab the gun, you got enough room. You can move your wrist. You can grab a gun like this. Get a good look at it. I do recommend you buy this gun if you like Nerf guns, because it's fun and it's cool and it's good looking. See, you got the rival logo on the back. Looks like worn out. It comes with a target. And every time you shoot, you might have already heard it, but every time you hit this target, it's gonna make a noise. So I like this, so I can know for sure I hit the target. So here I am shooting the gun. Alright guys, if you just got done watching me shooting this gun, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. And until next time, see y'all later.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be